here with a review and setup of the Tresanti adjustable height desk. I purchased this at Costco for about $299, and the reason is I'm looking to increase my productivity by reducing work fatigue. So the desk includes 3 USB ports, a partition drawer for desk supplies, a digital control panel readout, touch controls to allow sitting to standing, preset height preferences with 4 programmable settings. Now it has tempered glass that's black, and it also has a black metal frame. So let's unbox the desk. So there's a 3-step quick start guide, and it would start with the tabletop on the ground, and then you put the frame, the leg frame, on top, and then screw in the machine screws. The bit that I'm going to use is a metric hex screw 40. Tabletop wiring was not long enough, making it defective, so it could not make the connections as specified. What I liked is that Costco has a no-hassle return policy. I didn't like that I had to disassemble this desk and return it to Costco. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.